Alright guys, first of all, I just want to say, you guys are going to ask me, why does it look really funny out here? First of all, I just want to tell you guys, there's a solar eclipse going on right now, so I'm not in a path of totality, but it is starting to look pretty funny and starting to get pretty dark out here. But, you know, regardless of eclipse or not, we got a train. Third catch of the day. Third catch of the day. Been slow. So that's why it looks really funny out here, guys, because of the eclipse that's going on right now. I got an appointment over here, so that's why I'm down here at the carriage crossing. Else I would have filmed them down that where I was at, down at the On The Go. There's been no I-38, nothing else. I don't know really what's going on, guys, with the train traffic today. They are about to end up making a stop. Symbol on that train is the CSX L612. The L612 starts off in Lane, South Carolina, heads north to Florence, South Carolina, which is where it's at now. Here at FY, where it terminates.